Hello traders, this is your favorite FX coach, Yvette McCray, the pathologist, here to bring you the daily trend analysis forecast for possible entries in the market for the Gdp Usd, the US500, and Bitcoin versus the US dollar. Let me just go ahead and state my disclaimer that trade ideas are not financial advice nor guarantee, only a view of possibilities. So you agree to use them at your own risk. Past performance is not indicative of any future results. Now, let's have some fun, ladies and gentlemen. First stop is the Gdp USD. And for today, August the 31st, okay, we have a new high and low for this pair. Right here, this dotted black horizontal line is the super high of the day, and the bottom dotted black dotted horizontal line is the super low of today. So if price stays above this super low, we're headed back up to near the what would this be? I guess this would be the super low. The super low of the month. That's the solid black horizontal line. Okay, so we're headed all the way back up here to the solid horizontal line. So we're here right now. Okay, this is currently where price is. All right, it made a super low right here, and we're looking to take it all the way back up to the super low of the day, or even higher. Okay, however, if you look at the entry chart on the 30-minute time frame, that's the left chart on the left side of the screen. Okay, I am currently in a sell because I'm looking for price to pull back, as it did at the beginning of this new trading day. It crossed and closed above the minor high of the day. That is this dotted horizontal aqua colored line. Okay, so whenever price crosses above or below these levels, that tends to be the direction of the day. So here's the here's the minor low of today, and this is the minor high of today. So let me see if I can get an arrow here to point to it. I may just use a, what we call here, a trend line to help me do that. So that didn't work out for me. Let me see here now. Okay, so I'm going to make the ray on this stop so I can get it to go exactly to where I want it to go. All right, so I'm going to draw this trend line right here on this line. You see this line here, this dotted aqua blue line? That is the minor high of the day. Okay, and to the bottom of that is the minor low of the day. Okay, so that is the minor low of the day. Now the minor high of the day, right here, this dotted horizontal black line. Now the super high of today is right here, up here. All right, so that's where we're effectively going if this particular pair can stay above this low right here. And so far we're up here. So throughout the Asian market, I believe it will come back down and retest this and then continue its path up. Or maybe, my bias is that it's going to go up. That's my true bias. Now, if it doesn't go that way, yes, there is a possibility that the market can push it below this low here. We don't know. I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm just telling you what past history says to us. So if we were to look here on a bigger time frame, like the daily time frame, or better yet, let's go to the weekly. Okay, let me see, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks ago. It went up from this very same area. It was not able to sustain it. So if it can get above this area right here, we are headed to the upside. All right, now as far as the daily is concerned, you see last week, it came down here to this super low of the month and went up, and it surpassed it. This this week. All right. But I truly believe that we have found a support. However, I could be wrong, but the 4-hour is telling us as of this week that it wants to go up. Okay. So we'll see if this can happen, if we can get price to get back above here sometime this week. All right. So that's for the GBP USD. Let's go to the US500. And they all do the same thing. You see this every day. They do the same thing. So likewise with the US500, I'm looking for this pair to go up. Where to? Somewhere right around here. Okay. Near this golden horizontal line. That is the super low of the week. The super low of the week. And beginning of this week, it surpassed that. It surpassed that, right? And now we have a new low right here at this black dotted line, doing the same thing as the GBP USD. And so we're looking for price to go up. I'm currently in a buy. I'm looking for price to get at least right here throughout the Asian market, and then come back down throughout the London market to retest, and then back up again for the New York session. All right, so my bias for this pair tomorrow for New York, we will be looking to enter bullish moves. Okay, now let's go to the Btc USD. Again, we're doing the same thing, folks. The same thing. Let me put this on the 30-minute because I was scalping a minute ago. So I was on some lower time frames. However, same thing. Look, here's the low of the day. We're headed back up here near the super high of the day. All right, price is getting above the minor high of the day. And if we get above here, definitely we're headed up here to the super high of the day. Now, if you're interested in trying to find out, if you're interested in wanting to know how can you get these price levels in order for you to have higher probability of winning your trades, you can always join the Freedom Nation Citizens Trade Group. Okay, join my platform and I will coach you every day live in the market during the New York session. You will also get these trade levels, okay, that are high probability support and resistance price levels, okay, so that you can be more proficient in your trading. All right, now again, recap all three pairs. My bias opinion from my analysis that we will be entering a bull market as of the New York time frame tomorrow. So that's it for now. Happy trading. Trade responsibly. Go ahead, like and share this video so that we can help and inform more people on how to enter in trades using price action. All right, and you can always join my free trade group, Pip Nation, by clicking the link in the description of this video. I will see all of you tomorrow during the New York session for us to make some pip moves, baby. Have a great one. Happy trading.